Welcome back, guys. Today we're taking a look at a 2023 BMW M3 Jahre Edition. So this one is in lime rock gray. It's an M3 Competition xDrive. So 503 horsepower, all-wheel drive, 8-speed automatic. This one has the carbon fiber bucket seats, the carbon ceramic brakes with the yellow gold calipers. Really sharp looking car. Has your laser lights with it. Has a carbon fiber splitter on the front. Obviously that unique kidney grille design up front. Has the shadow line headlights. Blacked out mirror caps. Take a look at the window sticker here. So looking at this, obviously lime rock gray metallic. Base MSRP on this car is $80,800. You have the M350 Jahre BMW M option. Jahre stands for year. This one has the 19 and 20 inch wheels, the M shadow line lights, the 50-year emblems, carbon fiber trim, iconic adaptive LED headlights with laser lights, parking assistance package, executive package, M carbon ceramic brakes, which is an $8,500 option. You have the M carbon bucket seats for $4,500. And then this has a special edition option on here for $3,430. So this is a 1 of 500 car. MSRP on this car is $109,695. Fuel economy for this car is 16 city, 22 highway, 18 combined overall. You do have a 4-year warranty with it. You do have the 3-year, 36,000 mile maintenance plan with it. So taking a look here, obviously you can see it has the Edition 50 Jahre BMW M. So the 50 years of BMW M Edition. You have your carbon fiber seats, which were an option when we ordered it. Pretty awesome looking seat. It is definitely a tighter fit. These side bolsters here are definitely high. So when you get in and out of them, obviously it is a little bit tougher to get in and out of. We have obviously your paddle shifters. These are the carbon fiber ones with the plastic grip on the back of it. Not a bad feel. Obviously, I know a lot of people like the metal ones over the plastic carbon fiber ones, but obviously for weight, it makes sense. Also here on your seat, you can see this headrest will actually come out. So if you decide to take this to the track and you wear a helmet, it'll give you a little bit more room. Not much, but a tiny bit more room as far as headroom goes. And then you also have this part, which will remove right here for your 5-point harness. So obviously on this car too, you have the Harman Kardon standard. That's on all M3s as standard. You have your memory seats. You have your window control switches. This has obviously the iDrive 8. You also have an amazing heads-up display up there. So if you can see that up there, a lot of information up there. So you'll have all your information for your Sport Plus and everything here, which is really nice to see, to be able to see it. Then you have obviously your information here for your phone, your personal assistant, your tire pressure, and you should be able to press and hold, and you can actually, believe you can, yeah, so it's like a tablet. You can actually move this to where you want to see it. So if you want this, you know, right here, you can do that. Then you can see your engine info as well. So you could kind of have all your displays clustered together, which is pretty nice to have. So pretty nice to actually be able to see all your displays together. That way you can see everything, go into engine info if you want, show you everything right there. So pretty neat there. Obviously tire pressure and temperature on there. You can change it from degrees Fahrenheit to Celsius. So pretty convenient there. You have obviously your information and everything for vehicle status and everything that you can see in here. Your seat comfort and everything as well. So seat comfort, you could adjust that as far as where you want everything to go. With the M3 itself, you have obviously the 8-speed automatic. So this will be your M shifter here. You have the options to raise or lower these functions for yourself. So if you're in drive. All right, so you'll see up there, obviously it shows your shift logic. you can raise or lower that based on what you want. So obviously the lowest on level 1 right there, that'll shift a little bit slower, a little bit lazier, a little bit more comfortable. You could raise it up from there. That'll be a little bit more aggressive. And then you have level 3, which is the most aggressive and quickest shifting. So you'll notice it when you drive it too. It's a little bit different, but you'll notice it. It's not too bad. Taking a look here at the steering wheel, this one obviously, because it has a carbon fiber package, it'll have your carbon fiber around the steering wheel itself, your M logo down there, and then obviously, like I stated earlier, the carbon fiber paddles. You have your BC button here where you can cycle through all your information and data. Not much to cycle through with these iDrive 8s. And then you have your automatic high beams down there, and then you have your windshield wipers right over here. Other things too, obviously you have your M mode, so you can change that. So you can change it from road and sport. If I put it on sport, you'll notice obviously the whole display changes. Looks a little bit different overall. Your setup button right there, so you can go through here and you can change how you want your driving profile to be set up. And then you could either configure M1 or M2, or you could just press and hold M1 or M2, and that'll save those features in there for you. Obviously you have the 1200 mile break-in with these cars, so take your time with it. You know, obviously stay under 4,000 RPMs. Don't keep the RPMs all at one. Don't add all the RPM, you know, drive at the same RPM for a long distance. And, you know, make sure you vary your throttle inputs and try and keep it away from full throttle. I know it's tough with these cars, but it definitely helps in the long run as far as longevity goes, and for warranty too. So keep that in mind if you do get one of these cars. Also have down here your exhaust valves, so you could open or close them. So right now this is closed. You'll notice it's a little bit quieter, and then your exhaust valve's open, a little bit louder. So it's definitely a nice little tone difference. Obviously we're in sport mode right now, so the exhaust valves are naturally open, and you know, definitely is a little bit louder of an exhaust note itself. You also have your front view camera here, so that'll be your panorama view, which will show your front view camera and everything. You can set activation points for that up here. You can manage your points, and you can adjust your settings down there for it. Then obviously you have a backup camera, and with this car you have the 360 camera, so you can actually see everything all the way around the vehicle, which is pretty neat to have. This one has the automatic parking and the backup assistant. So backup assistant's cool because it'll actually remember, I believe it's 128 or 134 feet behind you, and that'll actually show, or 164 feet, sorry. It'll actually bring you back to the same position that you were when you pulled in. So pretty neat there for that aspect. You can select your 3D view here. Well, we'll turn off backup assistant real quick. You can select your 3D view here, and that'll allow you to change your viewpoints as far as what you want to see there. So pretty neat, pretty awesome to see that. It's pretty neat too how they kind of match everything on the car as well. So nice little touch by BMW there. Also forgot to show, pretty neat here too for the Jahre Edition, you'll actually have a 1 of 500 plaque right there, right in the center console, which is pretty neat to see and have. So pretty awesome there. We'll take a look under the hood here real quick. Under the hood here, it's pretty standard for the M3. Nothing special, nothing different. The biggest difference you're going to have is you're actually going to have where it says BMW individual right there. It'll let you know what color it is and everything else as far as that aspect goes. So pretty awesome there. Obviously no under hood insulation or anything. You have your 50-year anniversary badges. Here's a close-up of those BMW laser lights that are blacked out in the Shadowline trim. Taking a look at the wheels there, you'll see the carbon ceramic brakes, 6-piston up front. And then a single floating piston in the rear. Carbon fiber spoiler on the back here. Obviously, you have the carbon fiber roof as well up top. Taking a look back here, you have the M Performance muffler. So this has your M Performance muffler with carbon fiber tips. It's BMW M engraved in it, etched in it. And obviously helps with the sound and everything too. So thanks for checking out the video, guys. Hopefully this was helpful. Hopefully it was neat, kind of getting a look at, you know, the 1 of 550 Jahre M3 cars. Pretty awesome car to see in person. You know, hopefully the new customer who got this is going to enjoy it. If you guys have any questions, leave them down below in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. And we'll see you in the next one.